right, so here we are in the foyer. To the left is the family room. Really nice bay window. Leads into the dining room. These double doors, really nice. Close off kids, whatever, gatherings. And here's the kitchen. Breakfast area. A little seating for homework, office work. Circles around to the foyer again. And then off of this breakfast area is a bonus room. And this is really cool. It actually has French doors leading out to the patio. I'll show you outside in a little bit. The deck, the lot. I can't wait for you to see it. Here is a powder room. And upstairs. Here's bedroom number 1. Overlooking the field. Bedroom number 2. All the bedrooms have closets. Here's the bathroom. Bedroom number 3. And then here is the master. Double sinks. This giant tub. How awesome is that? And then the double shower. Closet actually is the same width and depth of the bathroom. And then it overlooks, you have your master balcony, overlooks the deck and that gorgeous field. And I'll take you downstairs in the basement. The basement is finished. Hall closet. Plenty of space for everyone's coats. Refrigerator, storage. This door, that door, actually opens up cellar style to the outside. Storage, washer and dryer. And I'll tell you, there is no moisture in the basement. It is completely dry. It's a great space for entertaining and kids and people over. All right, let's go check out outside. There is an above ground pool. This is the deck. Patio. Those are the French doors leading off the bonus room. But you guys, check out this view. I'm gonna walk back here. It's so pleasant.